Windows, man. Windows be killing. Don't know why. I gotta make myself look tall. Wait, I got like. Yeah, I can't. Let's just get on. Okay. Let's just get on. Let's go make history. Okay, so basically what we got is a standard scrub, right? Look at this plastic. Oh, this should be entertaining. Okay. Oh yeah, Black Ops 3. Yeah. Okay. What? Why is it rainbow? What? Is that lag? What? What? That was... what? I don't... That was terrible. That was bad doing on your doing right there. So, right, let's see his latest work. Okay, and then we'll start. Okay, it's night time. Okay. That's why I know what that is. He knows what that is. He's messed up really bad. 'Cause I'm here now. And his mistake was making that video. That video was not that one. That one was all of this. It was Roblox. Yep. People these days, man. That was 2 months ago. Okay, so that was when I could not care, but I care now, don't I? I care now. You undeveloped human being. Right, let's go through the oldest work. Let's go. Okay, so duel with Jumpy. Who the is Jumpy? Who? Describe. Come on. Describe. You duel with lol. Okay. Why is it Japan? No, that's not even Japan. Sorry, Japan. Dead. Sick. Yeet. What? Why? There's multiple languages. Do you wanna pick one? Please. Pick one. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so this kid altogether. New presents Roblox. Cool. It's too bad. I edit whatever, and you can cry about it. Soz. This guy must be a nutty geezer. Let's let's have some fun. Okay, we're done with Noob. Noob is a noob. He does not know what he's doing with his life. He is an undeveloped human being who is irrelevant, and he should die. Next, 872 subscribers. We're gaining the ranks. How I got jumped. Bolt got jumped. Shotty gets for a YouTuber. FIFA 17 career mode rant. I don't. Why? Why would you even do that? Just stop. Kill yourself. That is not good. Kill yourself. Right, so that's newest work. You're trying to how to search. Okay. I don't. Yo, big day. Oh, we done GTA 5. Oh, he's a solid geezer. He's your everyday nutty geezer. Alright.
You right, guys? What's going?
I don't care.
I like the white hair look. Oh.
Shut up. You're irrelevant. Okay. He's ginger. He's ginger. Oh.
Where's the person?
Okay.
There's no one even here. That's good, isn't it?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
What? Someone just said, hello, friend. Where the flipping hell did you come from?
He's a wizard. He must be a
Magician.
wizard. Okay.
Right, cola.
What are you doing?
What shall we buy?
You scrub. Keep going
Some cola. It's not even here.
Oh, you're a scrub.
Here it is. Oh wow, that was flipping. We flipping down that. Give me your fucking money.
Whoa! Oh, that is violent. Kids should not be watching this. This is highly.
How do we rob this? What we got to do?
What are you doing? You are an ultimate melt.
I don't know how to rob it. X, Y. Where am I going?
There you go. Wait, mate, you...
Press Y and that happened. That's pretty cool. Alright, we better start going because we're on 3-star
Mate,
place
you're
and we didn't even
screwed.
steal any money. This is not good.
I'm sorry. It's good.
Bloody hell, we're like a magician through it.
No,
Look at
the
this.
guy was magician, not you. Get your facts right.
Look at this. Look at this driving skill. Oh
What
my
skill?
god.
You're gonna crash in a minute. You what?
Let's go to this shop.
He's gonna crash because I'm nuts.
Is it here? Wait, oh no, it's over here. Right,
Crash.
let me into your shop.
When you got the police on you,
Shit, get in the shop. Oh no, they can see us.
you don't shoot.
Right,
Oh, you
still
don't
money.
shoot him.
Wow, so it's on the flipping D-pad.
You're a scrub. You.
Right,
No, you.
Lots of money.
Come on, hurry up.
Oh my god!
You're a scrub.
What even was?
Go a couple of minutes back. Couple of minutes.
What the?
Oh, I'm brutal. Kids should not be watching. I'm gonna this one.
Come on. Steal that
And
money. Come on.
Kids
I'm gonna jump over. I
should
can't jump over the desk anymore. I think someone's after me.
this.
Someone is definitely after me.
Oh,
Someone is definitely after.
Oh,
Oh god! Ah! What the hell was that?
hey, you're a scrub. Let's watch that again.
I can't even jump over the desk anymore. I think someone's after me. Someone is definitely after me.
Yeah, the cops.
Someone is definitely after. Oh god!
You're a scrub.
What the hell was that?
Mate, he threw your shit. That's how shit you
Oh
are.
my
He threw
God.
his shit at you.
What even was that?
Diabetes.
Right, this is good. Right, we need to reverse a bit on this one.
Reverse. What?
Perfect. Right.
What?
Now he's gonna be like, where do I go? Where do I go? What's going on, mate? What's going on?
He reverses.
Yeah, well, we won't even know what's in. Literally. Come on, man. Don't be such a pussy.
Sick.
I'm right here waiting for
Mate, you are a pussy. Because he got a shotgun.
Oh my
Oh,
God, I'm
he's
going.
proper
I'm
solid.
going.
He got
in there.
got green
Find
pants.
you. Here it is. There we go.
How much money you got? Why are you hiding your money to it?
No, we want it orange. Hey girl, it's beautiful now. Yeah. Wow,
All the players leave.
why get in my way? Wrecking my
All the players leave. It's just too good.
Already.
It's too good. He brings out his shotgun.
I just like wasted loads of money.
He brings out this solid shotgun. Yeah. You just start
What are we
shooting
gonna
and
get
cannon.
promoted? This is what I'm wondering.
Mate, he's got a sick car, and he got a reward for that, for running over people.
Oh,
Gee.
shit, don't,
Hello.
no, no.
Wait, you just died. You
Come
just
on.
died. Okay,
No.
you just died. Okay, you just
For
died.
God's sake! Oh shit, here he comes. Oh my god! I'm ready.
No, you're not.
I'm gonna get out.
No, you're not.
What the hell?
You're shocking.
Oh my
Get out.
God,
Get out.
I was so ready.
No, you weren't. You was dead.
I'm gonna kill this guy.
No, you
Where is he?
weren't. You were dead from the start.
Come on, I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm gonna kill you.
Fat legs.
So that's where my car was.
Your weird hair to start with.
What? There's explosions going off.
No,
I
I'll
do
just
not feel safe.
Alright. Let's see. Let's sit.
What?
Wait, what? Let's just investigate that real quick. Let's just put my specs. Okay.
Safe.
I see what happened. He got shot.
What? Oh my god!
He got
Are you
shotgun.
kidding me? Not even a ladder. Here it is.
By that range. That he's there, shotgun
Oh my
there.
god! What is this bullshit?
It is actually, I
And
agree
his
with you.
car on the roof as well. This guy's a hacker, man.
Yep, this is exactly what he is.
Get behind the van. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Made a friend.
Oh, come on! I'm done with this game. I'm fucking done. Goodbye.
And he rage quit. He rage quit. He ends it there. He rage quit. Okay, so I understand. I understand his situation.
What's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to
Oh, his voice changed. Oh, his voice changed. Okay. That's how I relate to. No, you don't, mate. You're fat. You're fat. You're ugly. No one likes you. Anyways, that's all we've got time for. Roasting kids is basically like I'm on a weird computer. Okay, no, it won't let me. Okay, basically, he should be called no kids only because it's not child friendly, man. You gotta be child friendly. And but where's he at? I gotta scroll. Okay, I gotta scroll. Come on, no. There he is, my boy Noob. Right. He's irrelevant. That's what he is. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Oh, yeah, I don't care. I finished it like 2 months ago, but the void. We're going in the void. No, I don't care anymore. Okay, so your boy Noob, irrelevant. Get him out of it. Delete his channel. I'll delete it for him. Hack him. Delete it for him. And like Cyan Gaming, well, give my safety specs. Wait. Oh yeah, boy. Okay, so my specs are telling me to say that he is irrelevant and not kid friendly. He plays FIFA and trying to be a KSI wannabe. Boom. The specs are always right, and he's a faggot who deserves to die. There you go. That's all I got to say. Stay kid friendly. If you get shot in the face again, I'm gonna laugh. Yeah, basically that's it. Bye. Noob, huh? Are you a noob at life? Thought so. Darker than my future. Oh, you actually done something good.
Forgive me for my wrongs, I have just begun.
Oh my god. Oh, I totally care. Oh, I can do so much better. Shut up. Shut up. Right now. I'm gonna drop ya.